Hi guys! If you're in Boracay Station 3 and looking for a dessert spot, you have to try this Coco Mama and Mango Mama. So first up, Mango Mama. We ordered their famous mango dessert for 320 pesos. And grabe, sobrang fresh ng mangoes at creamy ng ice cream. So I'll give this a solid 9 out of 10. Definitely worth it talaga siya kapag nasa Boracay ka. But my all-time favorite is still the Coco Mama. For only 220 pesos lang siya. Sulit na sulit talaga and very creamy talaga yung coconut ice cream nila with a perfect sweetness. So I give this 1,000 out of 10. So, the OG is still undefeated pa rin talaga and the best part is magkasama na siyang stall. So, right beside lang siya ng Golden Phoenix Hotel. So, you can easily try the both and decide which one is your favorite. So, comment below kung Team Mango Mama ka ba or Team Coco Mama. So, don't forget to like, follow, and see you in my next Boracay food trip!